Hello and welcome. In this video, we'll solve some of the problems on the topic we discussed in the previous video. There is a number of one-one functions that can be defined from one set to another set. So here we have number of elements in set A as 3, number of elements in set B is 4. We need to find the number of injections, that is one-one functions from A to B. So from A to B, so it is one functions can be formed from A to B only if number of elements in A is less than or equal to number of elements B. So here it is 3 is less than 4, and the number of injections or one functions from A to B is 4p3, that is 4p3 is actually mpn, because we have seen in the previous video, like if I have two sets A and B, and elements in A is, let's say, A, B, C, we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. A can be mapped to either of these four elements, so we have four options for A. When A is mapped to one of the elements, B have three options, this 3, and when B is mapped to one of the elements, C has two options. So it is 4 into 3 into 2, or 4p3, which is 24. So option C is correct. Next problem. So here we have number of elements in A as 4, number of elements in B as 8. So here we can proceed in the similar way, like we have 8 elements in set B, 1 1 to 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We have 4 elements in A, which is 1 3 5 and 7, set A and set B. So the first element will have 8 options. So the number of 1 functions is from A to B. From A to B is number 1 will have 8 options, 8 into, and number 3 will have, when one of the element is mapped as, then 3 will have 7 options, 7. Next, when 3 is mapped to one of the elements, 5 will have 6 options. Next, 7 will have 5 options. So it is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5, 56 into 30, which is 3 6 18, 3 5 16 1 6 8 0. So this is the case. Or even to save the time, you can simply write 8p4, which is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5. That will also give the same result, 1680. And we have set A. We have number of elements in set A as 4. The number of one functions from set A to itself. So we have n of A, 4 elements, and we have to take 4 elements A to A, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. When number of elements of both the sets are equal, then the number of one functions is n factorial. N factorial, that is 4 factorial, which is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which is 24. Option C is correct. The next problem, we have n equals 3 and m equals 12. That is, the number of elements in A is 3, number of elements in B is 12. Number of injections or one functions, number of one functions is 12p3, which is 12 into 11 into 10 is 132 into 10, 1320, which is options. Next video, we'll see how many number of onto functions can be generated from one set to another. Thanks for watching.